Our affordable and small-scale saffron kit can help you start your saffron business journey.
Indoor saffron farming needs low temperature and high humidity. In the full saffron kit, you get the flowering chamber, the environment controller, the humidifier with fan, 5 kg saffron seeds, fungicides, fertilizers, and our online training to help you grow saffron at home. Here you can plug the fridge, and here you can plug the humidifier. In red, you see the temperature of the flowering chamber, and in blue, you see the humidity of the flowering chamber. Using these 4 buttons, you can set the temperature and humidity needed for saffron farming. This is our humidifier. It is specially configured, controlled by the controller. Once the kit is delivered to you, we will take an online class for you to teach everything in detail. The saffron kit is a complete solution. It takes only 6 square feet of area and minimum investment to learn and grow saffron at home. You can use it to test the business viability of this business or learn it to develop a unique gardening hobby.